Hi traders, here's a new video. We have weekend, it's study time, yes, and today I'm going to show you another mind-blowing video, but before of this I have to do the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is, like always, not an investment advice. So this video will be about how to identify and confirm breakouts. This will be a mind-blowing video because this is what I have shown you already so often in my live trading videos, yes, where I have explained, but I didn't explain this ever, yes, but I got so many requests of you that you want to see this, how this works, and I'm going to show you today how it's working, and this is really mind-blowing. For this information, other people are charging money. Yes, so I want to tell this again. Yes, also if there are a lot of people who are complaining in my comments that they have to go through a lot of talk of me, yes, because I'm talking a lot, yes, but at the end, those information which I'm giving you, yes, other people are charging money, or even you don't get this so easy, yes, because all those one who are following my channel, all my audience, you are lucky. You are so damn lucky because you get those kind of information from me on the silver spoon. You have maybe to hear about something over and over again because I have to get this question answered, yes, but in general you get such kind of mind-blowing information, so don't complain, because you can search somewhere else the informations and you will see how difficult it is to get those kind of informations directly in your head, yes, directly. No, only half an hour, 1 hour of video and you have this information, yes, and you have not to search for it. Like I had done to do this 4 years or 5 years ago when I have started. I had to go and search this kind of information, and I have seen much more shit, yes, really much more shit than you have seen ever. So don't complain because I cannot see this kind of stuff. All others, I'm not doing the videos for you. I'm doing this video for those one who know how to appreciate this stuff which I'm giving to you here for free, and overall really knowledge which is going to make money for you. Yes, if you are able to apply this kind of concepts, you are going to make money, and that is what makes me proud. I released yesterday again a lot of students, yes, which are now consistently profitable. I'm changing lives, and that is what I'm doing here. And I cannot hear any kind of complaining in my comments or somewhere else, yes, because at the end, try to find someone else. So, for those one who want to win the bot prize money also this week, comment below my video, yes. So next week on Sunday, not on Sunday, on Saturday, I will announce a new winner. I will announce also the winner from this week later. So again, I have to discuss something else because I got a question from somebody who asked me that I have to do some more stuff about psychology, and I have to talk about this really carefully because yes, maybe I have to do also some special videos about this. But the most important part, yes, and the most important thing, what you should know is, as soon you deposit money on your broker, yes, it doesn't matter what kind of broker, IQ option, FX, IQ option, pocket option, RX, or whatever, yes, Olymp trade, who knows, yes, it doesn't matter. As soon you have yes, you have deposited the money on the broker, it's not your money anymore. This money is now invested. It's an investment. So, and as soon you have to do trades, every trade what you are doing is an investment. And also if you are making profit, it's still not your money till you don't withdraw this money. So as soon you have this money on your Skrill account, on your credit card, on your bank account, then it's your money. As long it is on the broker, it's an investment. It's the money is invested and it's not yours. That is important that you understand this kind of psychology part, yes, that this is not your money anymore. So forget it, yes, that this is, and then try your best, because a lot of investors do not have even this kind of control which you have about your trades. Because if you are investing in some kind of company, yes, and money in a company, for example only, yes, then you don't have even control as long as you don't have a specific amount. So the thing is this, that is the nice thing on trading. On trading, you have the control of everything because you are that trader who is pushing the button. Yes, the call button, the put button, the higher button, the lower button. So, and that is every trade. You have to see every trade like an investment. So try to do your best opportunities trades. Yes, that means try to wait, be patient, and try to do good investments, because doing good decisions in life, then you will do good trading decisions. Are you doing bad trading decisions? You will almost doing also bad decisions in life. That is something what is normally, because you are doing habitually the wrong decisions, and so you put the wrong decisions only in trading. So that is what I want to say. That is a really important psychology part, which nobody is talking about this, yes. As long the money is on the broker, it's not your money, it's invested. And you know, investments has some kind of risk. That means, or you are doing good trades, yes, then you reduce the risk, or you're doing bad trades, then you increase the risk, and maybe you can also blow your account, and that is the reason, yes. So as long you have not withdrawn the money, this is not your money, and that is really important to understand. So then the next part of those one who are complaining about yes, that I'm talking always so much. Yes, maybe I'm talking too much, but I have to take everybody by hand because I have a big audience. Yes, I'm really proud of you, to be honest, because those one who are following my YouTube channel, you are the lucky ones. Yes, you are those one who get educated by a European pro trader who is every week in the leaderboard, who can prove with his knowledge, which I'm providing every week, that I the real deal. Yes, so you are really the lucky one. The other ones I cannot help. That is a problem on this, and those one who cannot help, and I want to not even help them, because most of them do not understand what kind of great work I'm doing here. I'm doing this for my audience, yes, and that is you, and that is the reason why yes, I'm continuing this, because sometimes I'm asking myself why I'm doing this. So, and the second, so that was this one. Let me continue now immediately, because else it will be really long. So again, today's video will be how to identify and confirm breakouts. Yes, again, for those one who want this kind of service done, yes, that investment refund recovery service, which I'm providing, send me an email to my email address, boturbotrader@gmail.com, with the subject investment recovery. Yes, and then I'm sending you the application, how you can apply for this. Yes, that you get one of those one who I get the money back which you have lost on IQ option. I will do this in the future also for other brokers. Yes, if this is a request and if there is some kind of asking for it, the conditions will be then explained in the further emails. So then the second one. Now I try to go through all this kind of steps which I have to go through. So let me see. Now we are going here some kind of candle chart analysis. So what is the fact here? What will be the next candle? And that is really a tricky one. This is a tricky one because here we have ranging market, and I told this already often. In ranging market, you have to trade the edges of the Bollinger Band. I have explained this in the BOTT price action Bible, and I don't want to show you now the page because at the end it will take again too long. Yes, and then I get another complainings about this. At the Bollinger Bands, if you have ranging market, you have to trade at the edges of the Bollinger Bands. That means the next trade is really tricky because here you have a 50-50 chance that because the next candle you don't know what will happen. The probability that the next candle will be a bearish one is higher than those ones that it will be a bullish one, because we got here a reversal, we got a rejection from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, and we have ranging market. We are far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. So I'm pretty much sure that the next candle which will happen here will be a weak, listen, a weak bearish one. Yes, based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebooks. as in the BOTT price action Bible. So okay, that was this one. Yes, I don't want to show you this based on the ebook. Those one who has the ebook understands this. Let me show you. I will show you this. It looks like, again, something like this, that I was talking about something what it's not the case. So the most important part here is this kind of concept which I have shown you already so often. It's one of the most important concepts, how to read the Bollinger Band and the EMAs. That is this one here, and you see here in this kind of page, on this page, yes, on this page here, that one here, there you see how you have to trade the ranging market of the Bollinger Band. You have to trade it on the edges, and that means after the price is going to get a rejection from these edges in the ranging market, you have to expect a reversal. Yes, and in this case, I'm expecting here now the second reversal at the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, first reversal at the 2 deviation, second reversal at the 1 deviation, and that would be the reason why I'm expecting here a weak bearish candle, because we have here a lot of support and resistance level, and most probably because we have a major uptrend. Yes, the price will stop above the 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. Yes, that is this one. So only for those one to show you how I'm doing, bringing together all this kind of concepts and making so the technical analysis complete. Yes, because it's not always one thing. It's not only support and resistance. It's not only the trend. You have to understand all those kind of concepts which I'm explaining. Yes, and if you are able to gain all this knowledge out of the BOTT price action Bible, yes, and also of the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4, then you are able to trade each and every candlestick, or nearly each and every candlestick, because then you have such kind of big arsenal of weapons, yes, so of trading opportunities, that you can trade each and every candlestick, or nearly each and every candlestick. But I can only tell you, no good trader would ever trade each and every candlestick, and I tell you why. Yes, because that means, yes, because not each and every candlestick is telling you anything. For example, if you have this kind of candles here, those kind of candlesticks are not telling you a lot. Yes, because doji after doji, after high wave candle, after spinning top, after doji are not telling a lot. In this kind of area, it's not good to trade, and that is also candlestick psychology cannot help you. The only things which can help you in this kind of consolidation area is that what I have explained here, also in the BOTT price action Bible. Yes, how to trade support and resistance. Yes, on EMAs, yes, on support and resistance, you have to trade them when you have this kind of ranging at the edges too. Yes, and that means, let me show you this where I have this. I have explained this in this kind of concepts here. Let me see, there are so many. That is this one, and that is so important that you study all of them, yes, to get this done. Yes, because you cannot predict and pretend that you can trade like me or somebody else who is doing nearly each and every candlestick only by knowing the support and resistance stuff. That is not possible. So let me see if I can find it. I can find it. I do not find it at the moment. Yes, those one who have the Bible knows where to find it. Yes, because at the end you have to go through it. But that is what I'm talking about, the support and resistance level, and about the entry point. I don't find it, you see, it's almost always a mess, yes, to go through it. I have to prepare this before, and when I do not prepare this before, I do not find it. It's always the same stuff here. It's a little bit sad. Yes, okay, here I have found it. So if you have support and resistance or consolidation area, and that is what you have here, yes, that is a consolidation area, because you are here between the 1 deviation lower and the 2 deviation upper Bollinger Band, then you have to trade here outside of it. That means you're doing here put options from above, yes, and call options from below. That is the only way you trade it, and that has nothing to do with candlestick psychology. That are those kind of concepts which I'm explaining over and over again. And you see also you can use the round number here, there's the 1.1095, and the other round number here, the 1.1.0945, to do this kind of call options below the key level here below this consolidation area, and the put options from above. Yes, that is the only way, because you see candlestick patterns are in consolidation, do not work. Yes, consolidation area, their candlestick pattern will not work. And when you are in between, that is much more critical. I see this always on my students. When you are in between of the 1 deviation upper and the 1 deviation lower Bollinger Band, then you have ranging market, then you have to be much more careful. Okay, that was the candlestick analysis here of this chart. Yes, so next candle will be a weak bearish candle for those one who want to know this. So, and now we are going through the next topic, and the next topic is that one which I have to cover each and every time, because at the end I get this question every time. I see this question always in the Facebook group. I see this everywhere. Yes, I get these emails and I have to answer them, and I will do this really today. I want to do this really short because I don't want to waste your time again. So let me see this, how I can do this really fast. First of all, I have to return here to my page. So let me see. That is this one here. So yes, the BOTT price action guide. Yes, you can find the link in the description. It contains 120 pages of illustrations. Yes, only illustrations, no explanations. That is the BOTT price action guide, the black one. Yes, you find the link in the description. I don't say much more. Read the description. Yes, that is already everything. So the second one is the BOTT price action Bible. You find the link in the description. That are 275 pages of illustrations and explanations. That is what each and every trader needs, because those kind of informations which are in this BOTT price action Bible will change your trading. You will become a good trader only by studying those kind of stuff and applying this kind of stuff which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible. The BOTT price action Bible can be found in the description. If you have the BOTT price action Bible, you don't need the BOTT price action guide, because the BOTT price action guide is included in the BOTT price action Bible. Okay, so where do you find the BOTT price action Bible? Exactly in the description. Yes, 275 pages of illustrations and explanations, everything. Criteria, pattern psychology, support and resistance, entry points, chart patterns, concepts, everything explained. All this what you need to become a good trader is explained in the BOTT price action Bible. Yes, so get it if you don't have it, because it will change your trading. So the second one and the next one is in conjunction with the video packs. Yes, video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium ones, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pros. That are those kind of trades which made my BOTT mentorship program students profitable. Yes, consistently profitable. Those kind of videos are really dope. In conjunction with the Bible, because you need to understand those concepts which I'm explaining. They are changing your trading dramatically, because it's an instant access to my core knowledge. Yes, gained in years of experience. Where can you find the video pack 1, 2, 3, and 4? Yes, you can find them in the description. There is a link. Get this there in conjunction with the ebook. It's dope. Yes, that are those trades which my students have done, and I'm explaining exactly what they have done wrong, what they could do better, what they have to look for, and how to trade properly. That are no live trading. Yes, that are trades explained on their trades. Yes, so in this case, that is what this is. Yes, and they are really high educationally, and you will increase your trading dramatically. That videos are not like those ones which I have in the YouTube channel, because I would not sell my YouTube videos again as video packs. So please get on your brain. Yes, switch on your brain, because that would be really ridiculous. Those kind of videos are high educationally, and I'm explaining here really everything. Yes, and video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium one, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video packs 4 for the nearly pro. Those kind of explanations are changing your trading, and in conjunction with the BOTT price action Bible, they are really magic dope. Yes, you will change your trading. Yes, you will increase your winning ratio dramatically, but you have to study those kind of things. I get questions. Yes, if those kind of videos and if those kind of ebook are making traders that they can trade each and every candlestick. If you buy an English book, yes, you will not immediately know talking English. That means you have to study those kind of things, you have to apply this kind of things, and then you are nearly able to trade each and every candlestick. But I can only tell you, yes, nobody trades each and every candlestick, yes, no good trader, because not every candlestick is telling you everything. Mostly it's only 50% shines. So you have to wait for those kind of opportunities which I'm explaining in my ebook, yes, and which I'm explaining in this video packs, yes, because else you get not high probability trading setup, and that is what you should do. You should try to do good investments, yes, because every trade is an investment, okay? So that is this one. And the last one, that is the BOTT mentorship program. You can find the link not in the description. You have to do an application process. Why I'm doing this kind of application process? I'm doing this application process to guarantee that you have the basic knowledge, because nobody can teach you in 1 week how to trade. And not even me can teach you in 4 weeks how to trade and to become a professional trader and a pro trader and a consistently profitable trader. Yes, if you don't have the knowledge, yes, if you don't have a basic knowledge, I will not able to do this in 4 weeks. And that is a guarantee. I'm doing this kind of application process only because I want to get sure that you can become a consistently profitable trader if you go through the application process and you get not rejected from me, yes. And I get guarantee that I do not waste my time with anybody who knows nothing. If you are coming from any kind of YouTube videos where you are trading the crossing of EMAs, yes, or the mood indicator, yes, the mood indicator, I'm talking about this one here, yes. If you are trading based on the trader sentiment widget, yes, then don't apply for the BOTT mentorship program, yes, because I don't want you. That are those one who I don't want. You have to have some kind of basic knowledge. It's not a lot what you need to know, yes, but you have to know. And that is the difference between me and all other scammers. They take your money and they tell you that they are educating and that they are making you a consistently profitable trader. But they don't get you at that point where you are. I'm getting you from the point where you are, from the knowledge level where you are. And when you have too less knowledge, I have to reject you, because I'm not a magician. I'm not I'm not a magician. I cannot do this. If you don't have a basic knowledge, if you don't know the basic stuff, which I have explained in my price action Bible, yes, then I cannot make you a consistently profitable trader, because you have to get through this kind of things before. That is the reason why I'm so proud about my audience. Those one who are watching my videos get that knowledge which you need to become a professional trader, a consistently profitable trader. I get every day emails from my students, emails from my subscribers, yes, who are thanking me for that what I'm doing here, yes, because I'm doing here a great job. That is my passion, yes, and it makes me so happy that I'm able to change life, yes, but I cannot change life from those one who not know anything. That is the same thing like you would not know nothing and you send him to England without speaking the language. You need at least to know what yes and no is, yes, and some other stuff, yes, because else you are lost. And that is the same on trading. You cannot pretend that you come to me and you ask me for the strategy, yes, and I tell you something, yes, you will not make money, because you will use this kind of things wrongly. That is why I'm explaining those things in the video packs. That is why I'm explaining those things in the BOTT price action Bible. And that is why both together are shifting your trading on a new level. Yes, you will become a better trader only by this small investment of the BOTT price action Bible in conjunction with the video pack 1, 2, 3 and 4. And that is the best investment what you could do. For those one who need me as your mentor, you can still, and that is also a question, you can still join for the BOTT mentorship program. I will not do this anymore for long. I tell this already so often, yes, and the time will get shorter and shorter and shorter, and soon I will stop doing this. So if you want to get in the BOTT mentorship program, do it now. Don't waste any time. Send me an email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com with the subject BOTT Mentorship Program, and then you are in the application process. Then you have to go through the application process, and if you get through this, you are able to join the BOTT Mentorship Program. Yes, if you are not getting through it, you can apply this later again. Yes. That means, and that is my guarantee, that you are still not ready to get through it, yes, then you will be rejected from me. That is what this is. I do not need you. That is, I don't need your money. That means I'm doing this to get my bot mentors, yes, because to get a good quantity of bot mentors, it makes me really happy to change lives. Yes, that is so nice, such a nice stuff. Seeing every week those which people which I'm releasing from the bot mentorship program, how happy they are that they got it. Yes, that they got the right education after get scammed so often. There are so many scammers out there. Don't believe their luring words. Yes, they are only talking and trying to fool you. Yes, and that is what this kind of stuff about my YouTube channel is. I try to educate you all. So I have done this really short this time. Yes, so let me see if I can go through the next one. The next one is I want to announce the winner of the bot price action money, prize money. For those one who want to have the chance also to get the prize money next week, the $10. I'm giving away every week $10. I want to know who other YouTuber is giving away every week $10. No one, yes, because those one who do not have not even the money to do this. Yes, they are not even traders. That is a really thing what makes me really upset. Yes, they are not even traders. They are affiliate marketers. They try only to get affiliated. You see them with the affiliate intro to join the IQ option. Yes, at the end, at the beginning, at the end. Yes, those one are affiliate marketers. Yes, and they with all the money which they are making, maybe they are not even giving something back to you. Yes, I'm giving every week $10 away. Yes, and you need, the only thing what you have to do is commenting below my videos. That is not even 1 minute. That's not even half a minute, and you have the chance to win it. That is really easy stuff. Yes, so do this. Yes, comment below my video to get the chance to win the next week the $10. Let me see who has won or who gonna win today. So let me see how many comments do we have here. I have prepared this already because like I told this before, I try to get through it as fast as possible. So we have 139 comments. Okay, so and now let's see, yes, who has won today the $10 bot prize money. So let me see. Yes, and that are 139. So the 100, let me write this down before I forget it. 39, yes, 39. So 139. So, and who is going to be the winner today? Number 20. Yes, congratulations, number 20. Let me see who this is. Yes, I will try not to do a mistake again. So let me see. Number 20 is, let me see. Yes, see, let me see. Let me see. Who's number 20? Okay, I got already to. That is number 20. So, Nada La Lola, mind-blowing, can't wait for the upcoming video to learn more and more. Yes, you are the winner. Yes, you are the winner. You will get informed by me. Yes, you will get informed by me. So, congratulations, you have won this $10. And yes, and I see also some other one. Yes, here's somebody, one of my bot mentorship program students who is one before this. Next time maybe. So, in this case, yes, no problem, you have won this. For those one who want to win next week the $10, you have to comment below this video. Okay, so let me go through the next one. So the next one is this one. If you, yes, want to know what is going to happen behind the scenes of the boturbotrader channel, then you have to go to the community page. Here on the community page, you get all the information about the winner of the bot prize money. You find the money management tools and so many other tools. Yes, that is what you can find here on this kind of community channel. 1 second, I have to open the door for my dog. 1 second. Okay, so that, yes, here you have the community tab. Watch it, it's really important. Here you get informations about, yes, I give also away here educational stuff for those one who are interested. Yes, so watch on the community page on my YouTube channel. Be active there, that would make me really happy. Yes, and then there is obviously the store with my shirts, yes, and my other products. To be honest, I like them. Yes, I don't care if you like me, that is one of my favorite ones. Yes, and there are some others like I give a fuck and all those kind of stuff. Yes, and that kind of shirt is also nice. Lucky trading shirt, do not wash. Okay, that is here. That was one which I've done one of my Facebook group mods. Yes, that is one of those one. Watch them. Yes, if you like them, you can get them, but it's not necessary. You know, we are focusing here on trading. So okay, that was this one. I have maybe talked about everything, and now we are going to this new mind-blowing stuff which I'm presenting today. Yes, and today I'm going presenting you this kind of knowledge which I have prepared here. Look at this. So this kind of knowledge, I have to say, yes, obviously, because I got a lot of comments about those one who are complaining that I didn't take so much time to explain the latest videos, yes, where I've talked about the trend continuation stuff, where I talked about the reversal patterns in trend direction, yes, and where I talked about how to trade the advanced support and resistance techniques. I have to say, yes, I didn't talk enough about them, but the case is this one. I cannot talk so much about them. Yes, I have to cover all this kind of stuff, and I cannot do that at the end the video got more than 1 hour and I didn't have explained. But I can promise you only one thing. Those kind of things, yes, those kind of things which I have explained here in theory, I will show you them all, yes, on live trading. I show you them. I have done this already always. Yes, first of all, I'm explaining this kind of stuff in theory, and then I'm giving you this kind of information on live chart. I'm live trading. I'm gonna show you how to apply those kind of things on live trading. So don't be afraid. Gonna explain you this. I'm gonna show you 1 million examples if necessary. Yes, because those things which I have explained here are working like a charm. They are money making machines if you know how to apply this. This starts with this kind of stuff, the highest probability trading setup, which you can apply over and over again. And I'm going to show you today again on live chart how this is working. Yes, and then the trend continuation, the reversal pattern in trend direction, and this kind of advanced support and resistance technique, which is really mind blowing. Those kind of things nobody's giving you. Nobody, and if they are giving you, they are taking money. And all you have to search and search and search and watching a lot of crap before you get only a small part of this knowledge which I'm giving you every week here. And you see, I have no ending, never ending knowledge about trading because I have experienced all of this in so many years. Yes, I have done so many trades. I have not lost so much how others have lost because I was already from the beginning much more disciplined. Yes, but when I'm reading and when I'm getting this kind of emails from people who are losing $15,000, yes, and are not even able to recover it, it's obviously a little bit sad. But I can tell you, please use your mind, yes, and don't trust everybody, yes, and you cannot even trust the broker sometimes, yes. In this case, yes. So in this case, try, because there are a lot of traders who are reporting about lags, but I cannot verify who is saying something right or wrong, because at the end I have never had any kind of problems with the broker. Yes, and if there would be some problems, and if I would have get some problems, I would let you know. And I get then complaint, and then people are saying that I'm doing this kind of stuff only because the affiliate. Because why are you not crying on the other YouTubers who are having this kind of affiliate subscription intros, yes, that you have to subscribe to IQ option on the intro and the outro. Why are you not crying there? I never asked somebody to join any kind of broker, yes, because at the end I have 8 brokers in my list, so you can choose whatever you want. Yes, I'm not interested because I'm a pro trader. I'm making my money by trading. I'm a full-time trader. Yes, you see this on the top right. Man, I'm every week in the leaderboard. I do not prove anything to anybody. Yes, and I don't let, let's say, somebody anything wrong about me what is not true. Yes, that is this one. So okay, now let's going to start, because it was important that I clarify this kind of stuff. Yes, because it makes me really upset when people are accusing me to do something and to be something what I'm not be. Yes, because I'm trying to do here good work. Yes, and getting this kind of emails makes me really upset. Yes, because I'm asking myself why I'm doing this then. Yes, because I don't need to do this, but I'm doing this because that is my mission from 2 years on, when I saw you all crying on the IQ option chat that you got scammed and scammed and scammed, yes, and that you were losing money by following stupid strategies, yes. It's beginning with a supernova and ending with any kind of 5-second confirmation bullshit, yes, or only support and resistance stuff. That is not the truth. The truth is everything is working together, and you have to understand this. Why do you think I'm doing here this kind of errors? This kind of errors are showing you the trend. When you have a trend, the things are changing. Any kind of support and resistance level has only a specific strength, and this strength depends mostly again on what kind of trend there is active. Because if you have a strong trend, no support and resistance level will be held. Yes, if it's gonna weak, yes, then you get maybe a fake breakout. Yes, but if the trend is stronger, you get mostly a breakout. So don't tell anybody that it depends only from the support and resistance. It is not the truth. Yes, and all this kind of stuff. So okay, let me get into the topic, because else I'm talking again too much and we don't get to the point. So look at this. That is what I have prepared for you today. How to identify and confirm breakouts with price action trading on Forex and binary options and any kind of financial instrument. Yes, the thing is this one. That is a video which I have done for somebody who asked me that I have to explain some things also for Forex. And when I get things which are working together with Forex and with binary options, I'm doing this kind of videos so that you get the understanding what I'm talking about. So look at this. What I'm showing you here is the most reliable, yes, confirmation that the breakout will occur. Yes, that is what I have shown you already in so many live trading videos. I talked about this, but I never explained this, and I want to show you today, also later on the live chart, how you can estimate, yes, and identify that there will happen a breakout, so that you can go with the trend after the breakout really, and maybe also before the breakout, but you have to understand those things which I have explained obviously in the BOTT price action Bible. I will show you this later. So here, first of all, you see the highest probability trading setups. Yes, that's what I have explained here. I can show you this again. Yes, here you see you have an uptrend, you get a reversal pattern, then you get a downtrend, then you get a reversal pattern, then you get an uptrend, then you get again a reversal pattern, and so you have this kind of cycle here. Yes, that is the market. Yes, sometimes you have a major uptrend, then it moves up, then you have a minor uptrend, then you have a major downtrend, then it moves down, but the movements are always this one. Yes, trend, minor trend up. Yes, reversal pattern, minor trend, reversal pattern, minor trend. Okay, so that is this one. So that's this. So, reversal pattern, minor trend, yes, reversal pattern, minor trend, reversal pattern, minor trend, reversal pattern, minor trend, that is with it. This is not drawn by me from my mind. This is a chart, a real life chart, yes, a real chart, which I got from one of my students' trades from the video packs, yes. where I got this kind of chart, because obviously those kind of formations will not happen often, but you will see them when you call this, and you have only to understand this concept, and then you will identify each and every breakout. It looks like a double top, but it should not be a double top. It doesn't matter if it's a double top, and it doesn't matter what kind of chart pattern you have here. It has not even to be a chart pattern. Important is only one thing, and this is what I have drawn here below. That is this one here, where I show you how the time, yes, the time between the touches, yes, are becoming closer and closer. So that means here we have, for those one who are fit in mathematics, 4x, yes, 4x, because every of those one is 1x, yes. So let me see, x, so here 4x, here we have 4x, so then we have here, let me see, then we have here, yes, here we have 2x, yes, 2x, and then we have here 1x, and that is what the secret is to identify an upcoming breakout, yes. That is how you can confirm this, yes, because if you see that the touches of this support and resistance level are getting in this ratio shortened, yes, that is a half of this one, yes, the 2x, half of the 4x, and the next one will be then 1x. That means you have only the half of the next movement. Then you can expect the breakout, yes. Mostly you don't even have this 3, you have only this 2. So when you see that you have something like this with this 2, for example, then you can go already with the next one, yes. That is to shorten it up. For those one who are trading Forex, they see them mostly the 3, yes, and that can be also 4. The next one would be then much more to the left. That is how to identify and confirm breakouts. Here I have explained also some other things to make this more clear, those things which I have explained in the last videos. If you don't have seen the last videos, get them, watch them, yes. And here you see also those kind of concepts which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible. Why I'm telling you that's so important to get this BOTT price action Bible with, because those kind of concepts are valid each and everywhere. Yes, so let me see here. We have here an exhaustion candle. This exhaustion candle is breaking through it. In general, in this kind of ranging market, you should expect a retracement back. That what here I have shown you is that what I have shown you here. Yes, you have an uptrend, you have the breakout, and then you go with the trend. That here, that is it. Yes, you have the breakout, yes, and then you go with the trend, because below this is a key level. Yes, that is how it works. Let me see, where is it? Here, no, that is this one. For example, yes, the next one is this one. What is this one? This is the continuation pattern after the retracement back to key level. Yes, here we have a support and resistance level, and that is this one, what I have explained here. So let me show you this, so that I can show you this. Yes, here, that one. Breakout, retracement, yes, and then you go with the trend continuation on the support and resistance level. And that is what you can use it on each and every reversal pattern. Yes, you can use it also on shooting stars and so on, but they are not so easy to understand where the support and resistance level is. On this 6 reversal patterns, dark cloud cover, bearish engulfing, evening doji star, morning doji star, bullish engulfing candle, and piercing pattern, that are easy to identify, because you need only to get the level, the level of the opening price and the closing price. Yes, the higher high of this without the wicks. Yes, that is the real body line, and that is really easy to identify. So let me show you the next one. The next which I have shown you. Then we have the reversal pattern. Then we have a nice evening star. Watch also this kind of stuff which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible about the evening stars. Yes, how to trade them, how to identify them, the criteria, the support and resistance, the entry point, how to trade them. Yes, those kind of stuff. The candlestick psychology behind this, what it means. Yes, that a 3-bar candlestick pattern needs 3 candles to unfold. So, and then you see here the trend continuation. That what I have explained the last time on this video here. Yes, the trend continuation, that is this one here. You wait for the retracement, and after the retracement you wait for the higher highs and the higher lows. Yes, and that is what I marked here. Retracement, higher high, higher lows. Yes, you see this? next trade here, continuation trade entry. Here you again, reversal, retracement, yes, that because you know a reversal on higher time or lower time frame is a retracement on higher time frame. So in this case, you get this close here, lower lows, lower highs, continuation. Here's again, yes, reversal, retracement, and then you get higher high, higher lows, yes, and then you go a trend continuation. Here we have a nice pullback. That is the concept which I have explained here. Yes, about the reversal pattern, yes, the reversal pattern in the trend direction. Here we have an evening stuff in the trend direction. You have to see where the price is going. Here the price is going to the opening price. Here on this live chart, yes, you see that the price is going to this level here. That is the opening price, near the opening price, the wick of it. That means that this is only a retracement, and then you can do a put option here based on the concept which I have explained here, yes, that we are going. And because we got here this kind of rejection, you can go into the next candle also, yes, because you know this is the same stuff what I have explained when the price is going to touch the Bollinger band. That means that we have now selling pressure, yes, and then you're gonna go and follow the minor trend in a ranging market. Follow the minor trend in a ranging market. So, and then again here, the last one, that is that one what I have explained so often, that is a retracement back to key level, and that is a breakout. So again, if you see that the times of the chart of the price is going closer and shorter to touch the level again and again, then you know that the next candle will be yes, a breakout candle, and you can trade already this one, yes, after you get the confirmation, yes, like this, of the pullback. Then you can trade already this candle, else you wait, yes, to get a rejection from the support and resistance and try to enter above it, how I have explained this in the BOTT price action Bible, with all this kind of concepts together, purchase time, expiration time, all those kind of stuff, yes, which I have explained. And then you can go into a trend continuation, and if you're doing this on Forex, you can go for this kind of time that you choose. If you have a high leverage, you use this kind of level at stop loss, as you use this level at stop loss, or you use this level at stop loss, depending on your leverage, yes. And if you are a binary option trader, you do this, what I have explained so often, or every time, yes, you trade in the direction of the new upcoming minor trend, and then you do only put options and try to do those kind of concepts which I have explained here. Because after this retracement, for example, you can do this kind of trend continuation, yes, waiting for two lower lows and lower highs, and then going into a trend continuation. Obviously, with all those kind of things which I have explained over and over again in the BOTT price action Bible, and which I'm explaining also, and that is the important stuff, yes, those kind I'm explaining also in the video packs on live chart, yes, I'm showing them on the real chart. And let me show you now, because I promised to you that I want to show you this also here, this kind of concept, and that is here. Let me show you. There will be most probably much more, yes, but I didn't have the time to find it. So look at this. That is what this is about. Yes, you have here this kind of support and resistance level, which is in this case the round number. Yes, you have this round number here. You see this? Yes, here. The 1.10800. So, and then you see that the time here from the first, yes, from the first one, yes, is the double of this one. And what happens here? The breakout. Yes, you see here a retracement, and after this retracement, you see the trend continuation. Yes, in this case, the profit target was the top of this one here. Yes, you have here also some other concepts which I have explained before. Yes, first reversal at the it's a 2 deviation, and second reversal that's a 1 deviation. Here you see first reversal that's a 2 deviation, second reversal of the 1 deviation, because we are here in a ranging market. So, and that was it already, yes. I have tried to explain you this in detail. I think this kind of concept, I have done this kind of things so often on live, some of my live trading videos. If you find this live trading video, let me know this so that I can publish this on the community page, so that somebody else can see this in live trading action again. But I will show you all those kind of videos, yes, which I have explained here in theory. I will show you them also in live trading as soon I have done all this kind of important videos. So if you have some kind of suggestion for any kind of video that you need some kind of clarification, you can send me an email to my email address, boturbotrader@gmail.com, with the subject suggestion, and then I will try to cover this kind of topics. So again, for getting the bot price action money, bot price money for the next week, comment below this video, yes? And the link to the bot price action Bible, you find it in the description, and the link to the video pack 2, and to join the bot mentorship program, you need only to send an empty email to my email address, boturbotrader@gmail.com, and then you start you enroll the application process. You should start now the application process, because I will not do this for long anymore. I try to get through all my students now, and after this I will stop doing this. So try to get into it as soon as possible. Get your feet into the door before it's gonna shut, because I have done already so much, so often, yes, and after it there was always crying, and this time I do not care about this, yes, so because I have said this already so often, and that was it already. So okay, in this case, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. And so I would say, stay safe and bye bye.